Adrian Marquez Jr., Yue Chip, Frank Guan, Erica.
Rebelote, je le refais sans les gants. Ils savent qu'avec ça, à chaque séance c'est fort. Et puis, y'a une surprise. C'est pas marqué, c'est
And now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden I hear this agitating, grating.
Isn't it like 500 for like the first couple
hours?
Listen,
it might be cheap out there, though.
Listen. I don't know why I said it like that. I don't know why it came out like that. That was good.
go, 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 go.
Yeah, I'm like, damn. Like I had a girl from when I was in here. You cool? I forgot that was in water. Well, I'm about to be black and run off on show.
Malaki naman.
Nice.
Key lime pie, pecan pie,
Okay.
coconut chest pie,
Got it.
banana coaster. They have also the passion and the plan inside.
Oh, are these the options?
Yeah.
These aren't real. No. Oh, that's crazy.
Ставим брусок. И вперед. Зазоры закрываем. Снимай. Ой, какой.
3.
Oh, it happened. It happened. I said it would. We gotta see here. We gotta see here. I got it on video. It actually happened. Kamala stairs. No way. Did you really? I got it.
Marco!
Sorry. I have to get this done. Please help, please help, please help. Please, please, Andrew.
Dude,
Please.
I'm trying to help
I
you.
know, but this camera's not working. Why is it not working?
Babe, ask for an extension if you need an extension.
She wants to get this done now. I'm having a panic attack.
How many more do you need? How many more? How many more do you need? How many more do you need? Stop doing.
Oh my god, क्या हो गया आप लोगों को, bro? What the hell? Oh my god. Dude, what is going on right now? Oh my god.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm looking for a snack.
A snack?
Yeah.
Right now?
I'm really hungry.
It's literally midnight. Go to sleep, bro. Why do you?
I'm hungry. You've never heard of a midnight snack? What are you guys doing?
Go to sleep. He's looking for a midnight snack right now.
You're hungry? Yeah. You wanna go to McDonald's? Yeah, we should go.
Are you serious?
Bruh,
McDonald's.
you know you wanna make chicken.
Right now. Are you serious?
You know you wanna make chicken, babe. Come on, bro. McDonald's always hits. You want McDonald's? Yeah. Let's go.
Right now?
Yes. It's down the street, bro. Be quick.
Oh my god. Put on your sweater then. Whatever.
Yeah. I think you want something.
Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Is there a possibility that I'm pregnant?
Could I be pregnant? Am I pregnant? 38 plus 2 weeks. Pregnant, na 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 na.
Danger ups pregnant sex. Will it hurt, baby? Top of his head.
Can you down a 24 water slide peg night? I think my dog is pregnant.